That's where you start your music. So now I can change that speed.
That's pianos, yeah.
So now that's guide, gives you a guide.
Yeah.
I want it slow, I want it fast. So that's where you start from. So, but this comes.
And we're back. So a little update over the break. We have gotten our sound engineering practical. This is the second take, and guys, basically huku tunaongea language ya frequencies, sijui earthing, sijui nini, and apparently Jeff, our camera guy, can hear electricity. So good for you, Jeff. So before the break, my brain was huku being fried with trying to understand how to set up your DAW so that you can receive sound.
Yes.
And now that question has been answered, but I can ask for the millionth time again for you guys, because you know I'm brilliant, I've already caught up. But let me ask for the 99 others. They actually, no, let me not ask. Let me just say the answer I was given. Basically, Mr. Wathome told me that there's no possibility of you setting up your DAW to anything less than 44.
Yeah.
Yes, 44K.
You can set, but specifically
Inakuanga
already, yeah, it's already there. It's like default setting.
amazing. So if you're going to be mediocre, it has to be a conscious, deliberate choice. Best of luck with that.
Or you didn't even know what you're doing with the numbers. Yes.
Oh yeah, me. So now we are back to this. I'm very excited, guys. Nakwambia, you guys, you are watching the process of me becoming Sedo. Ni Kikuyu na kupata pesa kila mahali. So this is amazing. Me and you get to learn for free. But you can actually come and meet Mr. Wathome in class if you enroll for our September intake. So sijui ni nini unangoja. Now, back to this. I am done interrupting and I apologize for my billions of questions. What's the next step after understanding how to set up the DAW?
So after understanding, you have your mics clear, everything. You learn the features of the DAW, how to operate a DAW. So the main features, like for example, we have what we call the library, where you select your instruments. You have the playlist, how you arrange your instruments. If it's a guitar coming at the intro, then the drums at sijui bar 20, and that's a playlist. You have your library where you select the drums, saxophone, string, and what have you. That's library. You also have another window we call transport window, where you set the speed of the song. How fast, how slow do you want the song to be like? And then also you have the tempo, metronome, something like this. That's where you start your music. So now I can change that speed.
That's pianos, yeah.
So now that's guide, gives you a guide.
Yeah.
I want it slow, I want it fast. So that's where you start from. So, but this comes after you've learned, understand everything, even the basics of music, like chords.
Ooh.
Yes. So we studied everything, but we did not study this guy. And you need to understand this gadget for you to become the producer, because you're combining. A producer is a instrument player of all instruments. You're the one who plays drums. You're the one who plays keyboard. You're the one who plays bass. You're the one who plays. You have to have a lot of things. So at the end of the day, I usually tell my students, you and a doctor, a surgeon, heart, whatever, you're on the same level, because you have to understand so many things, because you're dealing with emotions of human. So by the time I convince you my song is good, I have to put it in a way that inaingia kwa spirit vizuri.
You know, you just killed my dreams hapo casually.
No.
Of course. I
you have to understand what you're getting yourself in. So that when the frustration, because at the look of things, it looks amazing, feel good, partying, that's where music is. But behind the scenes, it's something, it's totally different architecture.
So true. But for me, it's actually this music instruments part. So you cannot be a music producer. So, okay, our music production students, listen up, go hold a guitar right now. You cannot be a music producer if you cannot play an instrument. Instruments.
It's not really advisable.
Possible. Ah.
An instrument can be also your computer, because I can use this keyboard to play the same instrument. What we do mostly in class, because I'm always teaching you how you can use what you have. So if I don't have this, I can use this. Convert my keyboard into the keyboard. What do I mean? Like, you can use the computer as your instrument, your DAW, but you have to have the ability to tell what you're doing.
So my question is, as part of the music production course, is there specific units that deal with instruments and music theory?
Yes. You have music theory and you have music instrument 1 all the way to semester 4.
No kitty.
Yes. So every semester you choose, this semester I want to learn a guitar, there is a lecturer for that. Next semester I want to learn a piano. But basics, even if you're doing sound engineering or music, having an instrument as part of your learning things is very, very important, because also if you're a sound engineer, you're setting up for the band, you need to understand that the band is not playing right. Otherwise they'll sabotage and telling you, the engineer, you don't know what you're doing. Kumbe they are the ones who are not playing right. Yes.
This is so good. Wow. I did not consider that. I don't know why I thought as a music producer, as long as you know, I think I'm also thinking as is in film production, a producer in film is so different from a producer in music. You get, like, I feel like the producer in music is everything in terms of the vocal arrangement, the musical arrangement. The producer in film, I might be wrong, guys, because again, my knowledge is Juakali. He's basically, he's not the director, he's the overarching person of the whole production.
But that's the same thing in music.
Yeah, but I feel like you can wing it and make it. I don't feel like in music production you can wing it and make it. Like, as a
Maybe
producer,
I can be overall, but now, it's
you get,
good,
like, there's a lot
because
of technical skill required here.
you
For
need-
producer, if you're a good
Even if
leader,
I'm hiring a beat maker,
yeah.
I need to understand if the beat maker knows how to make beats.
So that's even a
From
thing.
my, So in music production, there's so many other things you can become, because you can produce music for film, you can produce music for normal pop songs, you can produce jingles. There's so many things you can do in music. Anything that requires music is
You're required.
Yes, anything that you've ever said.
Let me make a small digression up. Okay, sorry. You were saying.
I'm saying even ringtones for your mobile phones.
Okay, then another place.
Yes. So genres is, every song has their, you have to understand the tone and the sound. So for reggae, there's the instrument that are supposed to be reggae. You cannot just use any instrument. For hip hop, the same. For jazz, the same. For R&B, the same.